ஆர் ப்ரொவிஷனை பற்றி பார்த்தோம், லீவ் ட்ராவல் அலவன்ஸ், ஈக்விட்டி ஸ்டாக் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ், டிடக்ஷன் ஃப்ரம் சேலரி, இதெல்லாம் பற்றி பார்த்தோம். ஸோ இன்றைக்கி வீடியோவில் நம்ம அதோட கண்டினியூட்டி பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ கொஷின் நம்பர் 32. மிஸ்டர் எக்ஸ் இஸ் ஒர்க்கிங் வித் ட்ரூகர் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல், நல்ல கம்பெனி. ஹீ கிவ்ஸ் அ லிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் பெர்குசைட்ஸ் ப்ரொவைடட் பை த எம்ப்ளாயர் டு ஹிம். கம்பெனி அவனுக்கு என்னென்னலாம் செஞ்சுருக்கு அப்படின்றத சொல்கிறாங்க. என்டையர் ஃபினான்ஷியல் இயர் 2025-26, 2025 ஏப்ரல் 1 2026 மார்ச் 31 வரைக்கும் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்றத அவன் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கான், பெர்கோசைட்ஸ் அவனுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. பெனிஃபிட் அட்டாச் டு த ஜாப் இஸ் கால் பெர்கோசைட். His son had undergone a medical treatment in True Care Hospital. Okay. At a free of cost. The hospital would have charged a sum of 60,000 rupees for a similar treatment to unrelated patients. Sorry. Domestic servant was provided at the residence of X. Servantum கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Salary of domestic servant is 1,500 per month. The servant was engaged by him and the salary is reimbursed by the company. In case the company has employed the domestic servant, what is the value of workers' right? In case the company has employed the domestic servant was engaged by him currently and the salary is reimbursed by the company. In case the company has employed the domestic servant, what is the value of the workers' right? Question. Okay. In the free education was provided to his two children, A and B, in a school maintained and owned by the company. The cost of such education for A is computed at rupees 900 per month and for B at rupees 1,200 rupees per month. No amount was recovered by a company for such education facility from X. Looks like he's got couple of children, two children. A is getting 900 rupees per month, B is getting 1,200 rupees per month. Cost of education. The employer has provided mobile assets such as television, refrigerator and air conditioner at the residence of X. The actual cost of such assets provided to the employee is rupees 1,10,000. A gift voucher worth rupees 10,000 was given on the occasion of his marriage anniversary. It is given by the company to all employees above certain grade. Telephone provided at the residence of Mr. X and the bill aggregating to rupees 25,000 paid by the employer. Housing loan at 6% per annum. Amount outstanding on April 1st, 2025, 6 lakhs. Mr. X pays rupees 12,000 per month towards principal on 5th of each month. SBI rate of interest is 10% per annum. State the taxability of the above said percosites and compute the total value of taxable percosites. Taxability, whether it is taxable or not. Total value of the taxable percosites. Okay, total value na income from salary. அதை கேட்குறாங்க. சரி, ஓகே. ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஏ எடுத்துப்போமா. ஏ என்ன சொல்லுது? What is the question? His son had undergone a medical treatment in True Care Hospital at a free of cost. The hospital would have charged a sum of 60,000 rupees for a similar treatment to unrelated patients. Okay, if there is a common man who is coming into the hospital, had he undergone surgery, the hospital would have easily charged him 60,000 rupees. Since because he is an employee of the company, his son has undergone medical treatment, which means it's completely free of cost. எம்ப்ளாயியோட பையனுக்கு சர்ஜரி பண்ணுறது ஃப்ரீ ஆஃப் காஸ்ட். ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் ஓன்ட் அண்ட் மெயின்டைன் பை த எம்ப்ளாயர். ஓன்ட் அண்ட் மெயின்டைன் பை த எம்ப்ளாயர் வேர் தே ஹவ் கிவன் த ஓகே ஒர்க்கிங் ட்ரூ கேர் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் ப்ரைவேட் லிமிடெட் அப்படின்னாலே கம்பெனியோடைய ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் தான். அப்போ ஓன்ட் அண்ட் மெயின்டைன் பை த எம்ப்ளாயர், அங்கே இருக்க எம்ப்ளாயிக்கு ஃப்ரீ ஆஃப் காஸ்ட். கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் ஏ டன். செகண்ட், இப்போது டொமஸ்டிக் சர்வெண்ட் எம்ப்ளாயி வீட்டில் வேலை செய்கிறான். Salary of a domestic servant is rupees 1,500 rupees per month. The servant was engaged by him and the salary is reimbursed by the company. Salary was given by the employee, but he is showing the bill to the company, claiming it back, reimbursing back. In case the company has employed the domestic servant, what is the value of the percosite? So, it is an obligation of an employee but made by the employer. Obligation, his wish or for his necessary need, he has kept an employee or a servant வச்சு வீட்டில் வேலை வாங்கிக்கிறான். பட் on paying salary, he is showing the same bill to the company and he is getting the money back from the employer. It is fully taxable for both specified and non-specified employees. We have already given explanation for what is specified and non-specified. It is fully taxable. நீ உன்னோட வசதிக்கு எம்ப்ளாயியை வச்சு வேலை வாங்கி சம்பளம் தர, அந்த சம்பளத்தை கம்பெனிகிட்ட காமிச்சு ரீஎம்பர்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கிற, அது ஃபுல்லி டேக்ஸபிள் தான். டேக்ஸபிள் அமௌண்ட் எவ்வளோ, அவன் மாதம் 1500 சேலரி கொடுத்தானா, மல்டிப்ளை பை 12 which is 18,000 rupees is fully taxable. ஓகே. ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் ஜென்ரல் டிஸ்கஷன் தான், இது தேவையில்லை. ஓகே. இன்கேஸ் த கம்பெனி ஹேஸ் எம்ப்ளாய்ட் த டொமஸ்டிக் சர்வன்ட், வாட் இஸ் த வேல்யூ ஆஃப் பர்கசைட்? கம்பெனியே வந்து டொமஸ்டிக் சர்வெண்ட்டை வேலைக்கு வச்சிருக்கு எம்ப்ளாய்க்கு பதிலாக. ஃபெசிலிட்டி ப்ரொவைடட் பை த எம்ப்ளாயர் இஸ் taxable only in the hands of a specified employee. ஸ்பெசிஃபைடு எம்ப்ளாயியாக இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் taxable. நான் ஸ்பெசிஃபைடு எம்ப்ளாயீஸ்க்கு அது தேவையில்லை. ஃபெசிலிட்டி ப்ரொவைட் பை த எம்ப்ளாயர் இஸ் taxable at the hands of specified employeeக்கு மட்டும் taxable. சப்போஸ் taxable இருந்தால் 1500 multiplied by 12 is equal to 18,000 rupees per year is taxable for the financial year 2025-26. ஷார்ட்டாக முடிச்சிடலாம். ஓகே. Free education was provided to his two children A and B in a school maintained and owned by the company. The cost of such education for A is computed at rupees 900 per month and B at rupees 1200 rupees per month. No amount was recovered by the company for such education facility from X. ஒரு பையனுக்கு 900. For one children it is 900 rupees per month. For the other, the named B is at 1200 rupees per month is the cost of education. So இது வந்து education facility, it is not allowance. Wherever the word comes allowance, it is allowance. Otherwise it is facility. Child A cost of education less than 1000 rupees. இது வந்து provision. Less than 1000 na tax free. More than 1000 na fully taxable. 1200ன்றதால அது வந்து 1000 rupeesக்கு மேலே போகுது. So 1200 rupees multiplied by 12 which is 14,400 fully taxable. The employer has provided movable assets such as television, refrigerator, air conditioner at the residence of X. The actual cost of such assets provided by the employee is 1,10,000. Okay. எம்ப்ளாய்க்கு கொடுத்த அந்த அசட்ஸோட television, fridge, air conditioner at the residence of the employee, the company has provided such assets which is costing 1,10,000 rupees, the actual cost. So அவனுக்கு எப்படி இது சேலரி, அவனுக்கு எப்படி taxable வேல்யூ இருக்குன்னா மல்டிப்ளை ஃபர்னிச்சர் காஸ்ட் மல்டிப்ளை பை 10% which is 11,000 rupees. Question number E. A gift voucher worth rupees 10,000 was given on the occasion of his marriage anniversary. It is given by the company to all employees above certain grade. Gift voucher, we know the provision. If it is more than 5,000, fully taxable. This is supposed to be 10,000, happen to be 10,000, which means taxable value is 10,000. A telephone provided at the residence of Mr. X and the bill aggregating to rupees 25,000 paid by the employer. Tax-free perk. See, resident of Mr. Mr. X is an employee of the company. He is using the telephone for official purpose as well. So, had he, if he does not have a telephone, how can he handle the official work in the home? So, in terms, the company or the employer is responsible for paying the bill, and which is eventually get into a tax-free perk. Okay, nothing to discuss more. Question number G. Question G. Housing loan at 6% per annum, amount outstanding on 1st of April 2025 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs outstanding irukku. Mr. X pays 12,000 rupees per month towards principal. Okay. On 5th of each month, every month 5th, it seems like he is paying 12,000 rupees per month. SBI rate of interest is 10% per annum. Okay. Had he got the loan from SBI, it would have easily, should have got the loan for 10%. Just because he's getting from the company is charging him only 6%. So what is the difference? 10 minus 6, 4% is the difference. Very important sum. So when he pays 12,000 rupees per month on 5th of each month, okay, outstanding on 1st of April 2025, 6 lakhs. But we are calculating his income from salary at assessment year 2026-27, previous year 2025-26. So till March 31st, 2026, we have to calculate on end of each month what is the outstanding loan amount. Okay, we know that you can easily see here 1st of April 2025 outstanding loan amount is 6 lakhs. And on 5th he is paying 12,000 rupees, which means at the end of each month, at the end of April month, 6 lakhs minus 12,000, which is 5,88,000. Okay, wow. So now here, can you see that? On 30th for 2025, 5,88,000. And next month followed by end of the month, 31st is the date. And if you calculate another 12,000 deduction, 5,76,000. Likewise, if you subtract or deduct 12,000 each month, 576, 564, 552. How can you do that? Using calculator. 540, 528. Don't do in the mind calculation la inga poda thevalla. Better use calculator. Inga nama smartness kaamikka thevalla. 504, 492, 480, 468, 456. So if you add together, put together 62,64,000 rupees varudhu. Okay, now how to calculate taxable value? The total value multiplied by the, what is the difference? Had he got the loan from SBI, it would have easily got him 10%. But just because he's getting it from the company, it is 6%. The difference is 4%. So total value multiplied by the difference percent multiplied by 1 by 12. What is this 1 by 12? ஒரு மாதத்துக்கு மட்டும் கால்குலேஷன் பண்ணுறாங்களா இல்லை 1 இயருக்கு? ஓகே, 1 by 12 months, 12 months constitutes 1 year. But what is this 1? அப்படின்றது we should ask. Okay, so this answer is 20,880. ஓகேவா? அவ்வளோதான், இந்த சம் முடிஞ்சிச்சு. We'll see in the next session.